Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that states manipulated option. So now in this video, I want to discuss about the dump. So what exactly that dump? So I want to explain it very easily. I hope you will be understand what exactly that dump. So right now, that is actually our default all that our array data, right? That is our 0 index data, there is a 1 index data, and there is a 2 index data. And also I added one of the click event. If you click as a click event, then automatically it will be updated. That means in our HTML, if you go to the element, into the element, that is our fruits one as a mango, and there is our apple, right? So that is all that is HTML data. So that means HTML string data. So now if you click as a click me, yes, you can see it's now updated that part. That means into the HTML area, this attribute is updated, right? And also this one is updated. So dump is that one of the process which actually help you to update your HTML code via the JavaScript. Okay friend, I hope you can well understand about it. Because of all this string data is updated by some of the JavaScript, right? So when anything you want to update with using that JavaScript, then this process name is a dump. Okay, so if you go to that React Js, into the React Js, if you go to the docs, into the docs, if you go to that API reference, and there is our React dump. And into the React dump, you can see there have also some of the React dump type as a render type, there is a Hydra type. So this is pretty much the same. And then also the unmount component at node, the find a DOM node, and there is a create portal. So that is all the type, actually that is all the DOM type. Okay, so step by step I will also show you everything. Then it will be very much clear to you. Like you can see there is a render. Into the render area you have to pass that element and the container as a callback. So what exactly that callback? Callback is when you actually complete one of the method work, and all after that completed, then if you want to redirect it to the another method area, then you can pass that things with this callback method. Okay, so that is the render method, and also that is the Hydra method. You can see it's just like that same, just you have to update that hydrate, and then the element will be same, the container will be same, there is a callback. That means after that it will be redirected to some of the method area. So that is actually our callback method. I think you already know about it. It's very much basic things if you have little idea about that JavaScript or coding. Okay, and then there is another method. So they have the another one as a find DOM node. Okay, so step by step literally I will also show you about all that method. That is all that DOM method. So they have the 5 DOM method as a render, hydrate, unmount component at node, the find DOM, and the create portal. So friend, I think you can well understand about it what exactly that DOM. So that is actually one of the process which process is help to update your HTML code via the JavaScript. So that is actually the DOM, because when you working with the React JS, you have to face this word a lot of the time. So for that reasons, I just created that video for you. I hope it will help you a lot. In our next video, I want to discuss about that hook. So how can working with the hook? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.